Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a modern chair and a table for it. It will be a very easy one. So let's get started. We don't need any reference image for this. Go to 3D sketch and choose spline because we want a curvy lines. This will be the basic shape. Press escape. This will be my chair. Now deselect this profile and we will make on a new layer along with the spline. Now the table. Press escape. Okay. Now go to the left side and rotate it along the x-axis minus 90 degree. Pull this chair to the ground. Now in the 3D shape, select a cube and give it a dimensions that I have given. Hit OK. Now select the cube and the chair outline and go to the tool selection and do the fall apart tool. In this one, do the duplicate on the right side and you can see that we are going to have this shape. Increase the number of copies. This is a lot. I guess 40 is fine. Yeah, for me this is perfect. Hit OK. Now as you can see, I have so many of these blocks. Now what can I do is merge all of them together. Now I have a chair. Now unselect this, select this cube and the outline of the table, and let's do that again. On the tools bar, go to the follow path. On the right, so hit preview. This will be our table. Again, merge object. Now hide the outline and the extra cube. You can delete the extra cube if you want to. Oh sorry, it's been locked. Now it's been hide. And here it is. Your chair and your table. I hope you like the video. Do comment. What I am doing here is I am making a copy of this chair just for a presenting view. Now if you want, you can change the color also. So here you go. Thank you.